Hello boys, no I'm just kidding. Hello guys, and today my package just arrived. This is paneling. This is MDF paneling, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to redecor or retouch up my room. And if you can see, my house theme is elegant, classic, hotel vibe, just like that. And I have a lot of paneling here. This is not I'm not doing it myself. This is I just hire someone to do it for me. My friend, he is a interior designer, and I have paneling right here. So I ordered this. This one is MDF, and this one is real wood. So just to give you an idea, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So if you can see, this is paneling, right? This one is called Batten. It's wainscoting sort of, but this is Batten, the specific name. So I'm going to do a simple wainscoting just like this, and just like that. Does it make sense? And I'm going to install here in my bedroom. You can see I have already installed. My friend installed it for me. So today project is here. If you can see in my vanity area. So I'm going to install all the paneling board and buttons right there. And this is a tool that you need: adhesive glue, or what is this? Strong bony nail. This thing. Tape to tape down the panel, and these water measurements, or water measure. I don't know. But this is the tool. That's it, guys. So I'm not going to show you overall or how I stick to the wall, because it's really complicated and it took very long time, because I've never done this by myself. So maybe I'm just show you a picture or a step by step. That's it. That's it. I'm going to do today. Wish me luck. And guys, remember, always measure twice. So this one is need to be tilted a little bit. Alright, just to give you some idea, this is a paneling look like right now. Still have gap, a little bit gap here, but it's okay because my wall is not too flat, but it's okay. It all covered when it's be painted. If you have gap just like this, don't you worry, just use this wood filler here, and put it right here, right at the gap, and smooth it out, and it should be okay. And when it's dry, you just sand it. Okay, now I already painted the trims. This is a sealer. It doesn't need to be perfect because I'm going to paint the buttons, the board, same color as the background. So you don't even notice this messiness from the sealant. That's all. Alright, this is first layer of glue. It needs 3 to 4 coat, I think. Alright guys, I think I'm pretty much done. It took like 4 coat to get this opaque. Just waiting for the paint to dry. And I guess that's it. And I can't wait to put this stuff back. And I'm going to show you the refill. So guys, I think Batten and Batten just finished. So this is the finished product. And this is my vanity area. I love it. What do you think, guys? I think now my room is tied together with this Batten Batten. Alright. So this is my house. So this is my room now.